Ryan Bretton with our forecast. I'm so intrigued by some of the numbers of those wave heights from the system to our south.
Right, it's unbelievable. We have some 10, 12, even 15, 16 footers. So pretty impressive to see that. It's a combination of the fact, pretty strong storm to our south, high to our north, and just the wind funneling into the Gulf of Maine.
Right into it. Makes for beautiful images.
Right. I will say, we're fortunate this lined up with more this week than last week because the tides were astronomically high with that full moon.
Yeah.
So we would have had much bigger problems if this were just a few days ago. You can see the circulation to our south. This is the center of the nor'easter right here off the Jersey Shore. High pressure up over eastern Canada, and in between, the wind is flowing right into Maine and New Hampshire. There we go, having a few clicker problems. We're moving along. You can see right now there is steady rain right now in southern New England, and that's where the most rain has been so far today. In fact, there have been some places in southern New England with more than 2 inches of rain that have fallen. Back here in Maine, we have one little area of showers that's developed right along Route 2, and that's where most of the rain has actually stayed all day long today. There has not been much to the south or to the north of this area of rain, and right now it's centered from Rumford to Farmington over to Skowhegan with mainly some light rain at this point. Wind coming in out of the northeast. That means it's coming in off the ocean in southern Maine, keeping the numbers right around 50 degrees right now. So overnight tonight, lots of clouds, a few areas of showers, but I think a lot of the time tonight will be dry. Tomorrow morning, this is 6 a.m. We start with lots of clouds, temperatures right around 50 degrees, and tomorrow should be a little bit warmer than today. There will be some breaks of sun, although there will be lots of clouds out there tomorrow, and a chance for a passing shower or two, mainly late in the afternoon into tomorrow evening. But all in all, much of the time tomorrow will be dry. Wind still comes in out of the northeast, so high temperatures right around or just over 60, a little better than today, but still on the cooler side with that onshore wind. Now, tomorrow night we'll start to clear the skies out, and Wednesday should be partly sunny. However, a cold front comes through Wednesday morning, and the wind starts to come around to the north-northwest. And look at what that means for the temperatures up north. We drop into the 40s for high temperatures on Wednesday, 50s to around 60 everywhere else. And that chillier air comes with a gusty breeze Wednesday afternoon into Thursday. It's going to be a brisk, breezy day on Thursday. There could actually be a shower in eastern and northern Maine as the storm is way offshore, but some energy extends back behind it. So down east or far northern Maine might see a shower Thursday, but the rest of us will be dry, just brisk, breezy, and on the chilly side. Wind lightens up on Friday, high pressure still in place, and then we actually turn milder over the weekend. The warmest day in the forecast looks to be Sunday right now. Here's the marine forecast. Seas 7 to 10 feet tomorrow, a northeast wind 10 to 20 knots, and both a gale warning and high surf advisory are in effect up on the water. So mostly cloudy tomorrow, highs will be around 60. There may be a passing shower, but a lot of the time will be dry. Brisk and breezy for both Wednesday and Thursday, and then we rebound over the weekend. Inland areas on Sunday could be up around 70 if we see enough sun. The next chance for rain looks to be Monday. That would be with the next system, but in between now and then, a lot of dry weather. So obviously we would have liked to get more rain out of this nor'easter, but just did not come far enough north.
We'll see what happens next Monday.
You got that right.
Ryan, thanks.
Yep.